Hello ladies and gentlemen, and what is up? Today I really want to review something very cool. Check it out. Alright, so the clip you just saw was probably filmed on a different day. We've had some really hot weather here in Melbourne, and I didn't want anyone calling the police or the fire brigade because of the smoke. So what I've got today is pretty awesome. They're these little, that's an empty packet. There's these little smoke cakes right here by a company called Pixco. Now you might be wondering why you need them or what they're for. Basically they're really good for shooting films, or if you've got product photography where you want some smoke, they're really good for that. And all you do, literally take them out of the pack, light them on fire, and then they smoke away. Now, they can still be a little bit dangerous because they do have, you do have to light them on fire. So if it's really hot or you're in a really enclosed space, it might be safe to use a fog machine or something like that. But I have seen a lot of people use these in studios to do product photography where they want a bit of smoke around and things like that. But a fog machine would probably work as well, but these are just nice and handy. You pull them out, you light them on fire, and off you go, heaps and heaps of smoke. So they come in heaps of different colours. They've given me quite a few here: green, orange, yellow. My favourite is just the white because it looks like real smoke. And yeah, simple to use. I'll show you one close up in a second. But yeah, really simple to use. As I said, take them out of the pack, you light them up, and off you go. One of them I did start to, throw a few flames around. It was a little bit windy, so some embers and some big chunks of flames. Some big flames actually flew away onto the grass and things like that. So you've got to be really careful when you're using these. They're supposed to be for professional use, so I wouldn't advise you get these just to use as smoke bombs or anything like that. But yeah, but they are really cool. So what I'm going to do now is give you a close-up, what they look like, and then we'll do another demo, show you exactly how they work, and then we'll go through the pricing and things like that and what I think of them. Basically, just quickly, this company reached out to me and sent them to me free of charge, but that's not going to sway my review or anything like that. I'm going to be completely upfront and honest of exactly what I think about them. But so far, I think they're pretty damn cool, and they're really good for the moments where you can't use a fog machine or anything like that, where you need to simulate smoke or steam. If you're shooting a film and you want it to look like a building was on fire, you could just put these, inside the building. But because there's flames, you might want to put it in a metal bucket or something like that. And sometimes with the coloured ones, they do stain whatever they're, set on fire on. So just keep in mind, don't put it on your driveway or concrete if you don't want it to stain. You probably can clean it off, but it might be a bit hard. Yeah, so only really use these, just be really safe. Metal bucket or a tile or something like that you're not too worried about damaging. And make sure there's nothing around that's flammable, because flames can blow around and things can catch fire. Make sure you always have a fire extinguisher with you if you're going to be using these. But yeah, let's get an up close and personal look at these and we'll go from there. Alright, so here we go. This is the packaging they came in. You can see there, Pixco. They do come from China. That's their website. Let me just open this up and then I'll give you a closer look at them. Alright, so one thing I'll say is they're packaged pretty well. They're in this plastic here, and then they're in bubble wrap also. I think this is so they don't get crushed. Let me just open this up for you. And once you get them out of the bubble wrap, they are wrapped again in this like plastic shrink wrap right here. I think it's again just to protect them from being crushed, or the green stuff from getting everywhere, because as you can see on here, it does, stain things. So I'll get this open and we'll have a look at the actual smoke cake. Alright, so here we go. This is the smoke cake without any packaging. And this is a green one, obviously, but the smoke will be green from this as well. So I'll show you another one in a minute, one that's just for white smoke. But the coloured ones seem to be smaller pellets, and the white ones are bigger cakes. I think that's because most people can use the white. But yeah, that's it. Very simple. So all you do is get your lighter and start lighting, the bottom of it or the top of it, the side of it, wherever, and it'll start smoking. So I'll give you a look at the white one now. Alright, and here we have the white one. So as you can see, it's pretty big. And they work the same way, just like a little cake. They kind of remind me of bath bombs. They smell like sparklers. As you can see before from the green one, my hand's a little bit stained. It does come off, but just like I said, keep in mind if you're going to light these anywhere, they will stain wherever it is you light them. So yeah, that's the big white one. And now we'll go and we'll light one up and see exactly how they work. Before I continue, what I will say is that you can just break bits off. So if you don't want to use the whole disc, you can just break bits off and use a little bit if you just need a little bit of smoke, because I think this large one will go for quite a while. So yet again, it is another day. I've got a bit of a cold, I apologise, but I really wanted to finish this video. So I hope you enjoyed the footage. I couldn't get as much as I wanted to because it's been a pretty hot summer here in Australia, so here in Melbourne, Australia. So I didn't want anyone calling the police or fire brigade or anyone seeing smoke or anything like that. Even if it was coloured, people might freak out. So I didn't really have the time to go anywhere far away and do it, but maybe in the future if I get some time, I'll get a lot more footage of these things going on. So all in all, I love them. I think they're a really cool idea. You just, like I said, you just got to be careful of, fire hazards and things like that. It does stain where you do burn them, so make sure, you do it on something you don't care about damaging. Have a fire extinguisher with you, water, all appropriate safety gear and things like that. So what I'm gonna do is put the link in the description below to buy these. There's 3 links. And they go to Amazon. Now I've just got my screen open here with the prices and things like that, so I'll go through them really quickly. You can buy a 5-pack of the colours, so you can get blue, yellow, red, white and green. That's $31.99. Now I'm pretty sure that's US dollars. That's on Amazon. Again, you'll find the link in the description. Then you can also buy separately by colour for $4.39 each. Again, I think that's US. And then you can also buy just the white discs for $4.39 by themselves as well. So the only problem is on the Amazon website, it does say it does not ship to Australia. So if you're in Australia and you want them, maybe contact Pixco. Their website will be in the link in the description as well. Maybe contact them and ask them how you can get them. Amazon is coming to Australia. Well, it's kind of in Australia at the moment. I think they're kind of just starting out here. So hopefully you'll be able to get them really easily and really soon. So that's about it. I'm really happy with them. I think they're awesome if you want to do some, product photography with some smoke or videos. Yeah, they're awesome. I'll definitely use them again if I had to. And yeah, that's about all. Hope you enjoyed the review. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.